I enhance a 3D model from this into this. On our previous videos, we have done our basic modeling from creating a layout or a drawing. Today, let's enhance our basic model to become this. Get ready and let's enhance it into super detail. In real world, there is no perfect sharp edges and everything, so I use Bevel tool to create rounded edges. If you want to have special cut in your object, use bowling tools. Just make another object, transform it to your desired shape, and place it to your main object, and use bowling tools to cut it. Now let's make electric cords. First of all, let's add a plane. And go to edit mode. Erase these 3 vertices. Stretch it up a little bit. Now go back to object mode. Go to object, convert to curve from mesh or text. And when you go back to edit mode, the tools options will change. Now use this draw icon here and draw a vertical line like this. Place it higher. Now as you can see, you have 2 vertices right there. Go to curve setting icon right there. Go to its geometry. Below bevel option, type its depth. Now I'll make it 0.05. Now let's erase this one. And now this is our official electric cord. Now let's make some spaghetti type shape or curved wire or something. Let's extrude it to right direction. Now as we select this point right here, we can rotate it and we can scale it until it becomes a better curve. Now let's extrude it up to. Extrude it to the left. And extrude up. Now let's do the same process for all the vertices. Select and scale and rotate. Select, rotate, and scale. Scale it up. Alright, here's our piece of an electric cord. Let's make it more convincing. Alright, it looks like a wiggled electric cord now. And now, here's the result. We transform a basic 3D model into a detailed signboard. See the big improvement now, the default one versus the detailed one. Check out my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell button for daily updates. Also visit, like, and follow our Facebook page, Surface360. Thanks for watching.